everyone, this is me, teacher Nadirali Jimali. Welcome to this video. Today we are gonna discuss two very important points in English language. One of them is schwa sound, another one is redundancy. But first, let's discuss schwa sound. Schwa sound, it has great importance in English language. This is said to be magical sound. Schwa sound, this is said to be magical sound. This is unstressed vowel. As in Sindhi we have short, soft, alaf zabra, as in about. Okay, we don't stress here on beginning about, no, but we say bow. So schwa sound is said to be magical sound. In unstressed vowel, that sounds like a soft, short, soft. The schwa sound is represented by a symbol that looks like an upside down E. This one is in ago, soft, unstressed vowel. Okay, ago, banana, bow, lemon, amount, akka, teacher, driver, and brother, pencil. So there are a lot of words in English language, and when schwa comes, whether in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. Now let's move to another topic, which is redundancy. Redundancy, it's one of the most important topics in English language. By redundancy, we mean the unnecessary repetition of the same idea. There are many words that come along. You cannot use another word with them. As word repeat, this word common, usually misused. People often use again with repeat. It is totally wrong to use again with repeat, because the meaning of the word repeat is already say again. We cannot use again with repeat. It is wrong to use again with repeat. Okay, for example, if you don't understand anything and you say that please repeat it again, it will be incorrect. So ask like this, please repeat. He repeated the answer again. This is wrong, but he repeated the answer. Here there is a list of few words, and redundancy means the words that cannot be used with them. Okay, repeat. With repeat and redundancy again cannot be used with repeat. And return, the meaning of return is come back. Already its meaning is again. Okay, so back. Come back. You cannot use back with return. Either say come back or return. He will return very soon. If you say he will return back very soon, it will be incorrect. So don't use back with return, don't use again with repeat, and don't use forward with advance. Don't use forward and proceed, and don't use not with hardly and scarcely. Don't use not with seldom, such as, for example, innovation with new, sufficient with enough, and incorrect with mistake. And there are many other words that I will tell you in next video. Thank you very much for listening to me attentively. Thank you.